How to add PIN password on Messenger. So if you want to add a PIN password in Messenger, then what you need to do is just simply open up your Messenger application and then go with the upper left, which will have the three lines icon, and go with settings, which is on the upper right. Under settings, scroll down and go with privacy and safety, and then tap on end-to-end encrypted chats. Go with message storage, tap on turn on secure storage, and then you need to go with create a 6-digit PIN. Tap on continue, which is on the bottom, and create your 6-digit PIN, and again confirm it, and that's it. You've added a PIN or password on Messenger. Now, if you log into your account on other device, then it will ask you the 6-digit PIN, and once you enter the 6-digit PIN, you'll be logged in. So that's how you can add PIN or password on Messenger, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.